In the previous subtask we saw the write JSON function, and in this subtask we'll be looking at the read JSON function. So for the objectives of this particular subtask, we need to implement the read JSON function. We should be able to read and parse a JSON file using files.readString, and we need to convert the string into JSON array using new JSON array object and give the input as the file string. And we should convert the string into a JSON array object, and we need to return the passed JSON array object to the main function in case it's successful. Finally, we should handle errors if it contains invalid or missing JSON. Here we have our expected output. Coming to the code, in the read JSON function, first we're going to take file path as an input as to which JSON file we should read. This file path isn't necessarily the file path, it can be the file name also. And here we have a try and catch block. Try and catch is used to catch errors in Java, where we're going to try whatever code is present in the try block, we're going to perform whatever code is present in the catch block. Coming to the try block, first we have a new string variable called content, which will hold the actual file read at this particular path. So let me just break this down into two parts. So first we are actually going to get the file present at that file path using paths.get file path, and after that we're going to read the entire file as a single string using files.readString, and this together we're going to open the JSON file and read it as a single string and store it in content. And now using this line we're going to convert this string into a JSON array object, and we're going to return it back to the main function. And in case you catch an error while performing whatever code is present in the try block, we're going to print out error reading JSON file and we're going to return null. Come to the main function, here we have our file path. So here we have our JSON array object called data, which is going to contain the result we get from read JSON. After that we're going to print out the data we get from here. Let's just run this code once. So you can see we've gotten this printed out. This is similar to the expected output. Let's just submit this code once. We passed all the test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.